we'll build on what we have already produced. Okay, so this is the replication pattern. Okay, as before, we have our main routine, we have our channel to gather results, and we have our web, we have our image, and we have our video verticals. Okay. We can send our query, it goes to all of these at the same time. We have this notion that our channel is waiting to gather results and that the main Go routine has this select statement waiting for someone to beat the timeout. Okay, so, oops. As before, now the only change we need to make is, well, if this is W1, I1, and V1, we can imagine there's a W2, a W3, I2, I3, V2, V3. Basically, we can make as many copies of these as possible to give us both a very available and redundant solution. Okay, so it doesn't really matter if we lose one of these because we have so many of them. Now when we actually start to get results, okay, we actually have 3 verticals working on the web results. We have 3 verticals working on Go routine, sorry, working on the image results, and 3 verticals working on the video results. So this gets a bit messy, but let's say the second web vertical managed to make the cut before the timeouts. The first, this gets really messy with lines, and maybe the third video result, yeah, managed to make it. Okay, we would get all of our 3 results would be red, and we could get them before the timeout. All the other Go routines would, of course, keep working, but it doesn't matter. These results are essentially, they're not needed. We just never read them on the channel again. Okay, so it can seem a little bit wasteful, but running multiple Go routines is quite cheap on the processor, or as a processing cost. So